morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in gold. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The price of gold has gained 0.1% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator shifted into the neutral area. The euro-dollar pair has fallen 0.9% in the last 3 sessions. The Williams indicator shifted into the neutral zone. The sterling-dollar pair has lost 0.5% in the last 3 sessions. The RSI has bounced upwards into neutral territory. The Aussie dollar pair has fallen 1% in the last 3 sessions. The ADX shifted into the positive zone.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Major stocks in the Gulf region strengthened, bucking against the global trend, as shares in non-oil sectors took center stage, with the UAE being the primary driver. Cryptocurrency-adjacent stocks are taking a bath in conjunction with a major 2-session drop in prices for Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency. BMW has previewed iDrive for the iX electric SUV, and the interface has been updated for an era of semi-autonomous driving and connected cars.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The U.S. Redbook Index will be released at 13:55 GMT. The U.S. NFIB Business Optimism Index at 1100 GMT. Italy's retail sales at 900 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index will be released at 5:30 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers Survey Outlook at 500 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers Survey Current at 500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.